Hello everyone, welcome to Kernal Automation.
Hello, here's Lee. I'd like to make a quick tour of our warehouse and show what makes us a trusted partner in industrial automation.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, let's go.
At Kernal Automation, we specialized PLCs, PFDs, motors, sensors, and control components.
Yes, and we supply the top brands like Siemens, Schneider, Omron, Allen Bradley, and Delta, SICK, etc. All of them is the 100% brand new and original. Here. Our customer always asks us, can we deliver fast?
Yes, we can deliver fast because we keep large stock inventory, allowing to keep us shipment within 1 to 3 days.
Yes. Yes. And each product is stored carefully, labeled, and handled by our trained team to ensure the accuracy and efficiency. Okay. Here is the FANUC. And here is the Siemens product. Okay, let's go. We organize the storage and the layout by brand. That will make us our inspection more efficient. Yes, here. Come in, please. Okay. We know the downtime costs money. That's why we focus on speed, reliability, and the quality assurance.
Yeah, our team check the serial number, condition, and packaging to ensure 100% genuine and in perfect working order. For our overseas customer, we use trusted courier and freight forwarder to ensure safe delivery anywhere in the world.
Yes, we also provide the clear photos and the tracking update so you can follow up the shipment step by step and with no surprises and no delays.
Here's our support and sales team. They're not just a sales, they're technical advisor who can help your requirement and give you best solution for your requirement.
Yes, whether you're a factory, system integrator, or resellers, we aim to save your time, reduce the risk, and increase your efficiency.
Okay, come. their MRO meeting. Here is our designer who can design like a training box, like elevator testing, and here is a pneumatic installation system. And those guys, they are doing program. As you can see, this is the elevator. Let's go.
Let's go to the purchasing department.
Yeah, sure, sure.
That's a quick look at who we are and what we do. Thanks for joining our online warehouse tour.
If you value original product, fast delivery, and responsive service, Kernal Automation ready to support you. Let's build success together.
Yes, choose us.